Okay, Mel, we're in your backyard. The EnviroScape crew has just built this amazing water feature.
Yes, beautiful.
Yes, it's a beautiful rock work, but it has not been plugged in yet.
I'm going to do the honors.
Tess, you are going to do the honors here. You're going to plug it in for the first time.
Okay.
Okay. We hope everything works.
I hear it.
Oh my goodness. Here it is for the first time. For the first time, water comes out. Incredible. A little bit dirty because the rock had it, the dirt will settle.
Look at that, Dad. Isn't that great?
And now it comes down here. Then it goes over the rocks. And voila. There it is. Got several, just doing some fine tuning. We got the planting coming. Mel, you have any comments for us?
Any comments?
Oh, it's good. Good.
Okay.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in another world now, another place. Thank
Wow.
you for taking me. Yeah,
Okay.
this
Great.
is beautiful.